Well, we just finished up another solid axle swap. This is Colton's truck. He's from Florida, and this one's a little different because Colton put this truck on a transport and sent it out to us and had us do the kit here, and we're just about to send it back to him. So you may be thinking, it looks kind of funky with these small tires and wheels on it, but the transport wouldn't allow him to ship the truck with the tires and wheels he's going to put on here. I think he's doing 37s, 15-inch wide on this thing. So it's sort of anticlimactic right now leaving the shop, but it is a badass truck. So this is our 9-inch kit, and if you look up here front, we got 12-inch King coilovers, and we kind of did everything on this kit. So we fully rebuilt the front end. It's got PSC hydro assist, PSC box, has a front sway bar put back into it, and then we added limit straps on this one. And if you take a look at the knuckles, we actually powder coated the knuckles, the arms, the cross member all white to match his truck. We put 456 gears in this one, and it's basically the whole package. Everything you can add, we did. It's got the transfer case clocking ring. Come back here to the back of the truck. We did our shackle flip, which gives you about 5 inches of lift, and then a 4-inch block. And so you take a look, we even fit 2.5-inch Kings in this one. And truck sits about 9 inches of lift. He's gonna run 37s on this one. Out here in California, we might try and run 40s, but his style is wide and big. The truck drives great, runs good. Can't wait to see it with the tires and wheels on it. See ya.